President Anthony Mugisha Muhairwe, ate era nga ye Deputy Inspector General of Government. Twagala okumwaniriza ennyo azze n'abagenyi abalala nga mulimu Senior Lawyer Edward Sekabanja nga naye yali mukulembeze mu kibiina kino, ndaba wali Professor Anthony Kakoza ne balooya balala bangi nga President Bwana Yanjula abatambulira ku musingi gw'eddiini. Mukama wange Katikkiro yali jjajja wa Kabaka Ronald Muwenda Mutebi. Ssekabaka Muteesa yasooka ye yayita bannaddiini okujja kuno, era n'olwekyo twebaza ekibiina kino nti omulimu ogwo Ssekabaka Muteesa gwe yatandika jjajja wa Kabaka Ronald Muwenda Mutebi, waliwo balooya abeekolamu omulimu okutambulira ku musingi ogwo, okulaba nti profession yaffe ffenna abali wano bannamateeka ebaamu omulamwa. Tulina okusoomoozebwa kungi mu nsangi zino nga profession yaffe y'abannamateeka evumaganyizibwa, abamu ne mu kugereesa waliwo jokes nyingi nnyo ze bayogera ku bannamateeka nti bo batunuulira ssente zokka. Waliwo ne joke emu egamba nti okulaba munnamateeka ng'akutte mu nsawo ze, abazungu kibeerawo mu winter yokka kuba bannamateeka bakwata mu nsawo z'abalala. Bintu bingi nnyo bye bagereesa, bannamateeka ne bateeka mu kifaananyi nti si bantu beesimbu si beerufu. Naye abo abaasalawo okugamba nti tulabe nga profession yaffe ebeera ku mulamwa, nga empisa ennungi n'okulumirwa abantu abalala kikolebwa, tubeebaza nnyo era tulindiridde n'essanyu ettu President ly'anaatutegeeza. Nzikiriza mukama wange nsome speech gye nabadde ntegese eri mu Lungereza. President, Lordship Deputy IGG Anne Muhairwe Mugisha, Vice President, their board members present like Dr. Anthony Kakoza, Mrs. Christine Subuga Matova, I hope she's here, Miss Marion Bella, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you are all welcome to the seat of administration of the Kingdom of Uganda. We are truly delighted by your presence, and I wish to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to you for having taken the time out of your busy schedules to pay us this visit today. When you wrote a letter requesting to meet the Katikkiro, he detailed me to handle this matter and to arrange this. I've been communicating particularly with Ms. Nansubuga. I have known your eagerness. People were telling me that they've prepared their clothing, and I really appreciated when I saw the president clad in a busuti and other members. Thank you for giving respect to the institution. I've already been introduced. I'm Christopher Bwanika, Attorney General, and I'm also the Minister for Local Government. But I also head the team of Buganda Railroad Chambers. They've introduced Council Twaha Mukasa and other lawyers. Some are here, others are in the field. I wish to express appreciation for the work done by Uganda Christian Lawyers Fraternity, defending the rights of the indigent across the country, enhancing access to justice across various districts in Uganda. As we shall be informed, they have branches in different parts of the country. They have been involved in mentoring and fostering good morals and values among young lawyers in Uganda, starting with the universities and training institutions. We recognize and applaud their Christian approach, and we believe it is of salient importance, especially in these modern times, where the legal profession itself is under attack by greed, corruption, dishonesty, and other vices that have tainted the image of our noble profession. Recruiting and using law students at the university, some of your programs, shall without doubt lead to a better breed of lawyers with good values and thus to ensure justice for all. I'm pleased to share that the Kingdom of Buganda also has keen interest in providing legal aid to the indigent and protecting the legal rights of women and children. Those are shared values between us and you. We have been able to accomplish this through Buganda Royal Chambers, holding periodic legal aid camps called Ssaabawolereza, wherever the Kabaka has been traveling to inspect the counties and where the Katikkiro has been doing kingdom work. The kingdom also supports alternative dispute resolution, and we embrace this in our traditional justice mechanisms, particularly Katikkiro, our own courtyard Sekwa. We have written proposals to you and you've scheduled meetings with us to see how we can embrace ADR methods to make sure that our own traditional justice system can be connected to the formal justice system so that outputs from this system can be enforced like court orders, and it's possible through the already existing law like the Arbitration and Conciliation Act. We thank you, Katikkiro, because you've been giving us guidance, and we have quite a number of meetings to bring this home. Allow me to share a brief background of our chambers with you. Next. The great work that they are doing. We are also trying to resurrect our own traditional bitauruzi in the counties as dispute resolution centers to support our people with legal services. Being a kingdom which doesn't collect taxes, we face financial constraints in extending services to the people. And particularly under your guidance, we have made various partnerships and collaborations. The guests that we have today, we look at them as low-hanging fruits, and we see light at the end of the tunnel that we may get another partnership that may enable us to deliver services to the people. We have started establishing legal aid centers in the districts. We started with Busiro in partnership with the Uganda Law Society, and we hope to roll out. If we can even get into a partnership with UCLF, I know the sky will be the limit in this project. This falls within the ambit of the key aspirational goals or tenets of Buganda, which include, among others, securing and protecting the throne, protecting land and properties, and strengthening the spirit of togetherness among the people of Buganda and improving their quality of life. This can best be achieved if the rule of law prevails, as you always tell us, Katikkiro. So we look forward to working together with Uganda Christian Fellowship and ensure that all people from all backgrounds, be it from Central Region or any other part of the country, will relish in the fruits of justice. I once again thank our guests for coming here, dressed in the most respectful way, and I wish them a happy stay. Thank you so much, Katikkiro, and over to our guests.